So now that we know that WordPress is actually a content management system, let us look at a little bit more detail of what are the different things we can do with WordPress, and so that you remember more clearly the different important aspects of WordPress. So with WordPress there are three important things we will be able to do. The first important thing we'll be able to do is to create content. We can create content in the form of two things. One in the form of pages and the other is in the form of posts. So I have something to write, I have some photographs that I want to publish, and I have some videos. I can write all that content in a page or all those content in a post. So basically the content types can be three. They can be text, there can be images, and there can be videos or audio. So I can organize all this content into a page or also into a post. So that's the first important thing that WordPress allows us to do. It can allows us to make both pages as well as posts. Not only does it allow us to make content, but after we have made that content, we can even organize that content. There are two important ways we can organize. In the case that it is a post, we can make archives, or we can organize our posts in the form of categories. So these are the two ways we can organize our posts. What about pages? We can organize pages hierarchically in the form of a menu. Hierarchical menus. So I will show you what that means, but in simple language it means is that if I create one page, P1, and then I make some new pages and I make these pages its children. Then I can make some more pages and I make them the children for page P3. So such things are possible with WordPress, and I can organize this hierarchy through something which is called a menu in WordPress, and I will show you how we will do that. First we will build some pages, like I will build these for P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7 pages. Then I will organize them by naming one as a parent and the other as a child, and once I have named them in such a way, then I'll go ahead and make those pages in a menu, and then I will be able to access that menu. So that's the second thing that I can do in organizing our content, especially the kind of content that is pages. Besides that, the third important feature that WordPress allows us to do once the content is organized is the look and feel of the content, or the appearance of the website. And we've already seen in some amount of detail that we can write something called a theme, and then the theme, which is written in purely HTML, CSS and PHP, I can design any look and feel for my website, whatever look and feel I want. So these are the three important features that WordPress allows us, which is the reason why we call WordPress a CMS, or a content management system.